Hey Econ teachers, this is Clifford. Now I'll tell you about my 2019 summer workshop schedules. Many of you know I've trained thousands of AP Econ teachers over the years, but most of the institutes that I lead have either 4-day or 5-day workshops that cover both micro and macroeconomics, which is kind of inefficient if you only teach one of those. And they have a blend of new teachers that have never seen a production possibilities curve and experienced teachers that want to hone their craft. So here's what I'm going to do. For the summer of 2019, I'm going to lead several 3-day macro-only or micro-only workshops. And although brand new teachers can attend, it's really designed for teachers that have taught the course at least once. I did this last summer with a bunch of teachers and it was just awesome. We could really dive into the strategies and activities that make this course so fun to teach. The cities, dates, and details are all on my website, but for now, what you need to know is on June 17th to the 19th, I'm going to be doing a macro-only session in Seminole County, Florida. From June 20th to the 22nd, I'm going to lead a macro-only session in Newark, New Jersey. From July 29th to the 21st, I'm going to lead a macro-only session in San Diego, and from August 1st to the 3rd, I'm doing a micro-only in San Diego. Please note that I'm not going to lead the AP by the Sea Summer Institute. That's something I've done for 8 years, and it's been great, but it's time to move on to other things. So if you want to meet and work with me and get my resources, then you got to come to one of these workshops. And you can go to my website to register for any of these workshops, and keep in mind, you don't need payment to register. Just sign up, and then we can work on getting the funds later on through your administrator. By the way, if your administrator asks you, well, why are you going to San Diego or New Jersey or Orlando? Why are you going there instead of our close local workshop? Well, tell them if they want you to be the best teacher possible, they got to send you to the best training possible. Seriously, I promise you that you will not be disappointed. You're going to get all my AP Econ teacher resources, all the digital resources, PowerPoints, assignments, quizzes, all that stuff. You're going to get my boot camp program, and more importantly, you're going to get the strategies and activities are going to make your class awesome and help your students learn. And by the way, if you haven't seen the updates to the ultimate review packet like the new worksheets, you definitely need to check them out. So if you want a free sample, just email me and I'll send it to you. Make sure to email me though through your school email account. And I'm still offering a $7 bulk discount for that packet, which is way cheaper than any of those review books, and they don't even have videos. Also, remember that for every 20 licenses of the packet that you buy, you win another entry into a contest to have me come to your school to help your students get ready for the AP test in April. Now, if you have questions about any of this, please don't hesitate to contact me, okay? I hope to meet you and work with you in the summer. Thanks for watching. Until next time.